You need to hear this if you're an aspiring investor. Building wealth isn't just for the rich and famous. Financial expert Jaspreet Singh has some game-changing advice for you. First, forget the myth that buying a home is the best way to build wealth. Homes can be money pits. Instead, focus on three key assets: stocks, real estate, and your own business. For stocks, Jaspreet recommends domestic dividend-paying funds, REITs, and international ETFs. Consistent investment and reinvesting profits are your best friends here. Real estate can be a goldmine too, but with a twist. Think rental properties that generate passive income, not just any property. And if you've got the entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own business could be your golden ticket. Aim to create a business that runs smoothly without you, so you can earn while you sleep. But remember, entrepreneurship isn't for everyone. So whether it's stocks, real estate, or a business, there are ways to build wealth without a huge paycheck. Start smart, invest wisely, and watch your wealth grow.